Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start our next question of exercise 4.3. In the last videos, we have already learned how to find the solutions of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Till now, we have already learned how to find the roots of solution of quadratic equation. First method is by splitting middle term, and second method is by quadratic formula. You can use any method here, okay, in which you are convenient. You can use any method. Understand? So now question number 5. What is given? In a class test, the sum of Cephali's marks. Whose marks? Cephali's marks in math and English is 30. It is given the marks of English plus marks of math is how much given? It is 30 or not? It is given because sum of Cephali's marks in math and English is 30. But one more thing is given. Had she got 2 marks more in math, had she got 2 more marks in math and 3 marks less in English, then product of their marks would have been 210. If she had got 2 marks more in math and 3 marks less in English, and product of their marks would have been 210, then find her marks in 2 subjects. So what we will do? Only dear, I will make equation. You have to solve yourself, because we have to do many questions by quadratic formula or second method by splitting middle term. You can use any method. So what we will write? Find her marks. So suppose let Cephali's marks in English or mathematics, any subject you can consider. How much? Suppose it is X marks. And everyone know, if I say you total 30 marks he got, and in English Cephali's got 10 marks, so how much in math? Total minus marks of English. So it will write, it is given that sum of math and English marks is 30. So therefore we can find. So write Cephali's marks in mathematics, in math. So how much? Total marks is 30 minus how much she got in English? Minus X. Can you be right or not? It is very simple. It is a linear equation. Understand? It is a linear polynomial, not equation. 30 minus X. Now second part. Had she got 2 marks, whose product? She got 2 marks more in mathematics. More in mathematics. So we will write according to question. How much marks in mathematics? 30 minus X. So 2 marks more. So total is 20. 20 plus 2. So it means how many marks in mathematics? 30 minus X and plus 2. Yes. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English. In English how much marks? X. So X minus 3. And what is given? The product of their marks. So product of math marks into English how much? Would be 210. So we will convert it in quadratic equation. So we will write 30 plus 2, 32 plus 32 minus X. Got it dear? Now we will write X minus 3 equal to 210. So what we will do? Binomial into binomial. We will multiply it. 32 into x. 32x. 32 minus 3. 96. Negative into positive, negative x square. Negative negative, positive, plus 3x 210. What we will write? Always we will write in ascending order a polynomial. First is greater, power of right term whose power is greater. Minus x square, 32x plus 3x plus 35x minus 96. 210 another side, negative, it is 0. So what is become? Minus x square plus 35x minus negative and negative. We are both adding, so put the negative sign and add both. How much become? It is become 306 equal to 0. It is quadratic equation or not? Yes, quadratic equation. A is minus 1, B is 35, C is minus 306, and you can find from there we can find their marks. How will find? By any method you can use, whatever in whichever you are convenient. Understand here? So please note down it. You have to do yourself. Note down it, everyone. Note down. So you can solve here this question by quadratic formula or by splitting middle term. So splitting middle term, x square plus 35x minus 306 equal to 0. What we will do? Sum of two number 35, product of these two number p into q, first into third. So minus 1 into 306. The product you will find it, the factor is 18 multiply 70. Understand it? And both should be positive because multiplication is positive, negative into negative, positive. Understand? So what is minus x square minus 18x minus 17x? Sorry, it is positive and 0. Understand? So you have to do yourself. Understand here? So you will write what is common. Common is minus x we can take a common, and whenever we take minus, either you can take minus common or you can take positive common. Any positive or negative you can take common in which you are convenient. So what is remain? It is x. It is always change sign whenever we take a negative. So positive become negative. You can verify also. Negative into negative minus x square. Negative into negative positive 18x square. And always x minus 18 equal to 0. So what is? It is plus 70. So what is become? X minus 18 minus x plus 17 equal to 0. Product of two number is 0. It means either first number 0 equal to 0 or second number minus x plus 17 equal to 0. So x equal to 18. Next is minus x another side positive, x equal to 17. So there is a two option. Either the total marks in English is 18. If, so you will write if x equal to 18. If we are taking x equal to 18, then Cephal's got in math. How much in math? 30 minus x. So 30 minus 18, how much it is? 12. In second option you will write, I am writing, you can write yourself, okay? What you will write? If x equal to 17, x equal to 17, you will write then Cephal's got in mathematics 30 minus x, 30 minus 17, how much? 30. So both answer are right. Understand? Maybe if she got 18 in English, then in math 12. If she got 17 in math, in English, then she got in math 13. Both answer is right. Okay, note down it. Now we will do next question, dear. Now, dear, sixth question of exercise 4.3. What is given in exercise in sixth question? What is given? The diagonal of a rectangular field. So first we will make a rectangular A, B, C, D, and everyone know it is diagonal. AC is diagonal and BD is diagonal. And next is the diagonal of rectangular field is 60 more than shorter side. What is shorter side? Next is if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. We observe that here diagonal is also 60 meter more than whose shorter side. So that's why whatever we are comparison, we will take let to find the side of field. So we will let shorter side of field is x. Understand? If it is x, and what is given? Diagonal is 60 meter more than shorter. So x plus 60. So how much diagonal? X plus 60. So you can write x plus 60. Next is given if the longer side is 30 meter more than shorter, so it is longer side, so x plus 30. Now what we will do? Everyone know in a rectangle each angle is 90 degree. So triangle ABC is become a right angle triangle, and if there is a right angle triangle is given, always what we will use? I have already told you many times, whenever in any question we will observe it is 90 degree, we will use of Pythagoras theorem. So we will write by using of Pythagoras theorems. What is Pythagoras theorems? Always we will use in the diagonal. It is opposite of 90, hypotenuse. Sum of square whose? Sum of the square of the two side in a right angle triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So what is x square plus second side x plus 30 whole square equal to x plus 60 hypotenuse a square. Understand it? So we will solve it. X square plus a plus b whole square formula. You have to remember it. So first a square plus b square 30 square 900 into 2ab, it is 60x equal to x square plus 3600 plus 120x. Please solve it and make a quadratic equation. Look at x square positive, it is positive. Another side become negative. Positive minus negative 0. The x square minus x square you can cancel. X square plus 60x minus 120x. Another side negative. What is remain? Plus 900 minus 3600. It is 0. So we will write x square plus how much? It is remain minus 60x. It is remain minus 2700 equal to 0. Again we will solve it either quadratic formula or by splitting middle term. What is middle term? We will write x square here minus 60x minus 2700. Okay. So splitting middle term, sum of two number, sum is minus 60 and whose multiplication is minus 2700. Understand? So you have to think these two numbers. So it is become these two number are, I think these are minus 90 and 30. Minus 90 plus 30 minus 60. 90 into 30 20, 9 into 3 27. It is 90x dear minus plus 30x minus 2700. So what is become? You can write x square. What is common? Common is x. X minus 90 plus 30. X minus 90 equal to 0. X minus 90 is common. What is remain? X plus 30 equal to 0. Understand? Because we have to many questions same type. same type of that we have do many questions. So what is multiplication of two number? It means either first number is 0 or second number is 0. If first number is 0, x is 90 or x equal to minus 30. And everyone know what is x? X is shorter side. Can you take the side of any rectangle is negative? Can you say that the side of rectangle is minus 5? No, the side is always has a some length, and length is always is positive. So you can write x equal to minus 30 is not possible. Is not possible. So therefore you can write x equal to 90 is shorter side of field. Shorter side is 90. X equal to 90. What is diagonal? So you will write left. You will write in next line longer side of rectangle field. X 90 plus 60, and you will write diagonal. Sorry dear, I think we did mistake. You will write here diagonal. It is diagonal and it is longer. Understand? Longer side you will write. So diagonal is 90 plus 60, 150, and longer side is 90 plus 30, 120. So it is your answer. Please note down it. Now look at 7th question here. The differences of the squares. Whose differences? Squares of two number, like this one, 7 square minus 5 square. Differences of the square of two number is 180. And what one more thing is given? The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. What is given? The square of the smaller number. The square of the smaller number is 8 times. Whose 8 times? The larger number. Find the number. So we observe that smaller number is 8 times whose of larger number. So therefore we will write let the larger number x. But one more thing is given here. Given that square of the smaller number is 8 times of the larger number, we will write given that square of the smaller number. Square of the so what is smaller number? Smaller number is, you can say that given that the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So what is? It is become 8 into x and its square. Its square is equal to what is given? You can find it here. We will write in the question is given the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Therefore, we will write here what is given? The square of smaller number. So therefore square of smaller number is 8 times. Times mean multiply larger number. So what is smaller number? So we will write smaller number square into 8 into larger number. What is number? Larger is x. 8 into x. But we want to find smaller number, so we have to remove square. And square how can we remove? By taking square root both sides. Taking square root both sides. So what we will write? So we will write it is smaller number. It is smaller number. Okay, and square root it is under the root of 8x. Square cancel to square root. What is become? So it is become smaller number equal to root 8x. Understand here? Now we will write what is given? Differences of square of two number. What is given? The differences. Differences mean minus. And whose difference is? Square. So always first we will write larger number. What is larger? X. So write according to question. You can write difference is, whose difference is minus square of two number. So first number x square into second number root 8 into x square equal to 180. You will write under the root x also. Understand? So we will write it is x square and root 8 square 8 and x square root x is also x equal to 180 and 180 another side negative 180 equal to 0. So it is become quadratic equation and you can solve by quadratic equation. Understand it dear? You can do it dear because we are taking smaller number square. So we don't know what is smaller number. So you can consider let smaller number x and larger is y. So how to solve? By this method what we will do? First is differences of square. So always larger number square of larger number minus square of smaller number. How much equal to 180. Understand? Next is given square of the smaller number. So smaller number is x, right? Square of the smaller number is equal to equation 1 is 8 times of larger number is equal to 8 times of larger number. Equation 2. But we want to find value x and y. So we can solve any equation dear if both are in one variable, then it is easy. So you can write in place of x because it is y, it is x, it is an equation. So what we will do? We can put in place of x square equal to 8y, y square minus 8y equal to 180. So you can write put x square minus 8y in equation 1. So it is y square minus in place of x square how much? It is 8y equal to 180. So y square minus 8y minus 180 equal to 0. So only variable is difference is there and but equation are same. So you can use any method here. Understand it? Please note down it. And you have to find its root yourself. Now next question, question number 8. Look at same type of question we have already finished, but we did this question by using of two variable. Now we are using by using of quadratic equation. What is given? A train travels 360 km. So a train is going 360 km. Total distance is 360 km at uniform speed. Uniform speed is mean the speed is not changing. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, then it would taken 1 hour less. It is very simple dear. If your speed is more, you will take to cover any distance less time. So what is given? We have to find the speed of train. So let speed of train is x and everyone know distance equal to speed into time and time distance divided by speed. So total time taken to travel 360 km. Distance divided by distance 360. Speed is x. So it is time. But in question is given if speed had been 5 km more, then it would have taken 1 hour less. How many hour less? 1 hour. So what is speed of train? If speed had been 5 km more, in starting it is x. So after increasing it is become x plus 5. So now according to question, everyone know this formula. Distance equal to, distance how much total? 360 equal to speed into time. Speed is how much? X plus 5. And whenever when train is when the speed of train is 5 km more, then it will take 1 hour less. And how much time? Time is 360 divided by x. It is this time in starting when train is going with x with the speed of x km per hour. But when speed is more, then it is time is how much less? 1 less minus 1 equal to 360. So x plus 5 dear. How will you solve the fraction? By taking LCM. 360 minus x equal to 360. So again what we will do? X here is dividing, another side multiply. X plus 5 into 360 minus x equal to 360 into x, 360x. So please solve it yourself. Okay, equation you already know and you can solve by any method, either by splitting method or by quadratic formula. Note down it. Now dear, ninth question of this exercise, what is given? Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 and 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter, because there is the two tap, it means one is smaller tap, one is larger tap, takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank. So therefore find the time in which each separately fill the tank. Each can separately fill the tank. So therefore we'll write, let smaller tap can fill the tank in x hours. Understand? And tell me dear, and next is, therefore larger tap can fill the tank in how many hours? Total, both can fill. What is given? The larger one diameter take 10 hours less. It is meaning if smaller one is taking 12 hours, so how much time taken by the larger? How many hours less? 10. 12 minus 10. So it is 2 hours. So how many? X minus 10 hours. Okay. Now same type of question we have already finished here in exercise 3.6. Question number 2, second part. But in exercise 3.6 we did finish it by using of two variables. You can finish it by one variable also. How to finish? Look at here. Tell me if you can finish a work in 2 days. In how many days? In 2 days. You can finish a work in 2 days. So in 1 day, how many work you will finish? Half work. In next day also half work, because work is always 1. Half plus half, how many? Half plus half, it is 1. Now suppose you can finish a work in 3 days. In how many days? In 3 days. So first day how many work you will finish? 1 by 3 days. 1 upon 3 days. Next, in third day 1 upon 3 days. Because every day you will finish one third of the work, one third part, one third of work. Understand? Same as it is, if you can finish a work in 4 days, so every day how much work you will finish? 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 upon 4. When we will add all these 4 terms, it will become 1. Same as it is, smaller tap can fill the tank in x hours and it is value of 1 days. In 1 day, if it is 2 hours, so in 1 hour how many finish? 1 upon 2. And if it is hour, you can finish a work in 3 hours. So in 1 hour how many work you will finish? 1 upon third part. Same as it is, smaller tap can fill the tank in x hours. It is very important here. So we will write how much part of tank can fill the, because we know it is a tank and everyone know smaller tap can fill in x hours. X hour means suppose 20 hours. So in 1 hour how much? Can you fill in 1 hour? No, because in 1 hour we will fill only some part of tank. So we will write part of tank can filled by the smaller tank in 1 hour. Always we will find in 1 day or 1 hour. How many? Always we are taking it 1 upon 2 if it is 3, 1 upon 3 if it is 4, 1 upon. So it is how many? It is 1 upon x. Okay. Same as it is, we will write how many part of tank can filled by the larger tank in 1 hour. But larger can fill x minus 10. So in 1 hour, 1 upon x minus 10. Understand it dear? Now, But in the question is given two water tap together. So both water tap can fill the tank in 9 and 3 upon 8. 9 8 ja 72 plus 375 upon 8 hours. Same as it is, you will find both water taps can fill the tank in 1 hour. So always we will, we are taking x equal to 1 upon x, and x minus 10 we are taking 1 upon x minus 10. So we are taking its reciprocal. So in 1 hour how much both can fill? 8 upon 75 part. Are you understand? Now we will write equation according to question. Both water tank can fill in 1 hour, both. So it means larger tank can fill part of tank filled by larger tank in 1 hour plus part of tank filled by smaller by, you will write same as it is, smaller tank in 1 hour. Same as it is, we will write first tank plus first tap plus second tank. So this is work is finished by the both of the tap in 1 hour. But both can fill how much? 8 upon 75. So you can write in very simple equation dear. You can write, it is very simple, because this is the work is finished by both of the taps in 1 hour. So we will write how much work finished by the in 1 hour by smaller, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x upon 10. So this is the total time, this is the total work finished by the smaller and larger tank in 1 hour. And how much it is finished? 8 by 75. So you will solve yourself. What we will do? Taking LCM, making quadratic equation, and find your answer yourself. Understand? So what we will take? We will take LCM, x into x minus 10 equal to 8 upon 75. So it is become x minus 10 plus x, and I am writing here. Now x plus x, 2x minus 10 divided by x into x minus 10 equal to 8 upon 75. Cross multiply. 75 multiply 2x minus 10 equal to 8 into x, 8x into x minus 10. I hope you understand it. Now you can solve yourself. Understand? We have already finished in exercise 3.6, second question, second part. So please note down it. Only 2 more part is remain of this exercise. Question number 10 and question number 11. So please, you have to solve yourself question number 10 and 11. All are same. Only you have to make equations. Understand here? So it is, our exercise has been finished. 4.3 is also finished. In the next class, we will start our next exercise 4.4. So please note down it. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.